Welcome to the class again. See, in the last class we have discussed some of the basic points of set. What is the definition of set, types of sets, and how do you represent a set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of irrational numbers, and real numbers, and see some of the symbols and representation of sets. So we can represent the sets by roster method and set builder method. Okay, all these things we have discussed in our previous session. So in this class, let us consider some examples. Okay, see, write the following sets in roster forms. See, here I have considered 7 examples. See, all these 7 examples, they have written in see, they are set builder form or rule method. See, these are the 7 examples for rule method. So we have to convert all these into roster forms. So roster method or roster form means we have to write the elements. See, in all the elements, in all the sets, one property is explained. So let us go through the examples here. See, what is the first set here? See, a is equal to x such that x is an integer. So we know the integer set, x belongs to integer. And see, what is the property of this element? See, x is greater than minus 3 and less than 7. So it lies between minus 3 and 7. Okay, that we have to write, that we have to list the elements. Then second set is b is equal to x such that x is a natural number and natural number it is less than 6. So what are the natural numbers less than 6? So all the natural numbers we have to list them. Then third example is x such that, see, x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. So the property is x is a positive integer and it is less than 40. See, x square is less than 40. Then d is equal to, see, set of all letters in the word mathematics. So this example is given in set builder form. So all these are written in set builder form or rule method. We have to write or convert them to roster forms. Okay, fifth example, x such that x is an integer and see, x square is less than or equal to 4. We have to convert that to roster form. Then f, x such that x is the, see, solution of the equation x square is equal to 16 and x belongs to natural number. That means x is a natural number. Then g, x such that x is a letter of the word principal. Okay, so once again I am repeating, all these examples have been given in rule method. We have to convert them into roster form. So let us consider one by one. See, first example, a is equal to x such that x is an integer. So I have to write the same set. That means I have to list the elements here. See, x is greater than minus 3 and less than 7. Okay, let me show it here. Okay, is this number line? So we must have the idea of number line here. See, x is a integer greater than minus 3 less than 7. So let me say this as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 7. 7, then to the left side, see, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. See here, x is greater than minus 3 and less than 7. That means greater than minus 3 and less than 7. See, greater than minus 3 and less than 7. That means in between, what are the integers I will get? All the integers I have to list here. So what are the integers between minus 3 and 7? See, minus 3 and minus 7, I have got minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, less than 7, that is 6. So this is roster form, and the same set can be written like this also. That is called rule method. So in this way we can convert one method into another method. Then let us consider the second set. So b is equal to, so what is the second set? X is a natural number and it is natural number means it is natural number less than 6. So what are the natural numbers less than 6? We have to write all the natural numbers less than 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, see, less than 6. So 5. So these are the natural numbers less than 6. Okay, this method is roster form. So this method is rule method. Then let us go for third one. See, c is equal to x such that x is a positive integer. See, x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. So we have to write this one also. So here we have to list the elements here. See, x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. Okay, see, positive integer. So positive integer means we have to consider only plus positive integer. So I can write, see, 1. So 1 square means 1 less than 40. Then 2, I can write 3, 4, 5, see, 6. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why not 7? See, if I write 7, see that 7 square, that is what, 49. So 49 less than 40, so it will not holds good here. See, I cannot take 7, I can take 6 here. 6 square ನೋಡಿ 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 36 40ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 25 40ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. 4 3 2, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 40ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ. So I cannot take 7, so I will stop at 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is C. So this becomes roster form. This was rules method. Okay, this is set builder method. Then I can go for next set. See, D is equal to, what is the set given? The set of all letters in the word mathematics. See, here observe each of the letters. Okay, so you write the letters, set of all letters. So what are the letters here? See, I will write the letters. See, M, A, T, H, E. Okay, see here, M is repeated. See, M is repeated 2 times. So no need to write that M again. See, already we have listed M. So don't write the letter M again. So we have already listed here. Okay, then A. So A is also repeated. So A is already written. Then T. So T is also, see, T is also already listed here. Then I. Okay, I will write I here. Then C. Okay, yes. See, these are all the letters in the word mathematics. See, repeated letters, I have written it only once. So this becomes our roster form. Next, x such that x is an integer and x square is less than or equal to 4. So what are the integers? See, what are the integers which satisfy this property? See, x square less than or equal to less than or equal to 4. So that is, I can take 1 here. See, 1 means 1 square. That is 1 square means 1 less than 4. I will also take minus 1. See, minus 1 whole square means minus 1 whole square means that will be what? 1 less than 4, it holds good. Then I can take see 2. So 2 means what? 2 square. So 2 square is 4. So 4 equals 4. See, equals is there. So I can take 2 and see minus 2. So minus 2 means also minus 2 whole square, that will be what? 4. So 4 is equal to 4. So what are the integers which satisfy this rule? X square less than or equal to 4. See, these are the integers. 1 minus 1 2 minus 2. Then another integer is 0. I can take 0. So 0 square is 0. 0 is less than 4. So these are the integers which satisfy this rule or this property, x square less than or equal to 4. So let us go for this next example. See, x such that, see, x is the solution of the equation x square is equal to 16. See, x square is equal to 16 and x is a natural number. So let us work out that. So how the set is defined here? See, x square is equal to 16. See, f is equal to, so I have to write only the elements. See, x square is equal to 16. So consider this, x square is equal to 16. So we have to solve for x here. See, x such that x is the solution. How do you solve this quadratic equation? So if I solve for, see, x, so x square is equal to 16 means x means what? Square root of 16. So I have to take plus or minus. Then plus or minus, what is the square root of 16? Square root of 16 is what? 4. See, plus 4 and minus 4. See here, x is a natural number. So out of these two values, we have to select only 4 plus 4. Minus 4 is a negative integer. So that is not a natural number. So what I have to write here is, see, that is 4 only. Okay, plus 4. So 4 is the, plus 4 is the solution. That is, it is a natural number which satisfies this equation x square is equal to 16. So it contains only single element. Okay, last set. G is equal to x such that x is a letter of the word principal. So what are the letters of the word principal? So P, R, I, N, C. So I is repeated. P, R, I, N, C, I, C. Okay, P. So P is already written here. Then A, L. Okay. See, P, R, I, N, C, A, L. See, the repeated letters. So we need not write it once again. So we have listed all the letters only one time. So I have converted all the sets which are given in set builder form to roster form. Okay. So let me consider some more examples. So next, write the following Roman 2. So write the following sets in method or set builder. Okay, rule method or set builder method. So let me write the few examples here. Okay, let me show it here. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. See, let us work out one by one here. So I will list the examples later. See, write the following sets in rule method or set builder method. So in the previously what we have done, so the sets were represented by set builder form. We have converted them to roster forms. Then now see, roster form is given. We have to convert them to rule method or set builder. So what is the rule method? Rule method means we have to write the common property satisfied by all the elements of the given set. Okay, see here. So this is very important here. See, A is equal. So we did not write the elements. The elements are written here. 3, 6, 9, 12. So observe the elements. So x means it is an element such that, see. So how do you write the rule here? Okay, see, 3, 6, 9, 12. So the elements given are 3, 6, 9 and 12. See, 3, 6, 9, 12 means, see, these are all okay, these are all multiples. See, multiples of 3. See, 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. That means element can be represented as, okay, x such that elements can be multiples of 3. See, 3n. So where this n is, see, n is a natural number, belongs to natural number set. See, and okay, and see here 3 into 1, see, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Okay, that means this n is less than 5. Okay, I hope you can understand this. See, n cannot take 5 here. See, 3 into 5, that will be 15. So 15 is not taken here. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 is the last element. So see, if I put n is equal to 1, I will get 3. So if I put n is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6. Then I can put n is equal to 3, 3 3s are 9. I can put n is equal to 4, 3 4s are 12. So only thing is I can take up to 4. So n cannot exceed 5. So n is less than 5. So I have converted the given set to this set builder form. Okay, so in this way we can write the this. Okay, let me take this second example. B is equal to, see, I will consider another example. 2 4, okay, 2 4 okay, 2 4 8 16 32. Okay, let me stop at this stage. See, once again I have considered another example. Okay, so what is this? See, 2 4 8 16 32. So this is given in roster form. So we have to convert it into set builder form. See, observe the elements 2 4 8 16. Okay, let me begin. See, P is equal to, so we have to write one rule. See, we have written the property here. So like that we have to write, see, x such that. So how do you define the elements? See, x is equal to, see, 2 4 8 16 30. So observe the elements 2 4 8 16, see, 32. See, 2 means what? 2 ones are 2 or 2 to the power of 1. Then this 4 can be written as 2 square. See, 2 into 2, that is 4. Then 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Then 2 to the power of 4, 2 is multiplied 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. Then 2 to the power of 5, 32. So 32 is the see, last element. So I can write it 2 to the power. So x is equal to, see, 2 to the power of, so power 1 2 3 4 5. I cannot take 6. That is 2 to the power of generally 2 to the power of n. Okay. So where n is again a natural number. See, 1 2 3 4 5, these are natural numbers, and I cannot take 6. That means what I should write? N is, once again it is okay, less than 6. Okay, n is less than 6. So that means 2 to the power of 5, I get what? 32. Okay, I cannot exceed this. So n is less than 6. So in this way we can convert the given set to this set builder form. So let me consider another example. Okay, let me consider third one. So I will write it, see similar kind of example. Okay, let me take 5, 25, 125, see 625. So let me write this. See, observe carefully. So I have listed some elements 5, 25, 125, 625. So I have to convert this to set builder form. See, 5. So x such that how do you define the element here? That is the question here. See, 5. After 5, I have written 25, then 125, then 625. See, so elements are all written like this. See, 5 means 5 to the power of 1. So, see, 5 5s are 25, 5 square. Then 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. So, 5 into 5 into 5, I get 125. Then 5 to the power of 4, see, 625. That is the last element. So, all the elements can be written as, see, 5 to the power of n. And of course, this n is, once again, it is a natural number. And see, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the last here. That means n is less than 5. Okay, so n is less than 5. So I can give 1, 2, 3 up to 4. I cannot give 5. Okay, n should be less than 5. So this is the set builder form. So roster method was given. We have written the same set in the set builder form. So let me consider another example. Okay, I will write it here only. Okay, fourth one. Let me take this E. Okay, let us take this E is equal to, see, 1, 1, 4, 9 up to, see, 100. Finite set. Once again, it is a finite set up to 100. See this. So this is roster form. So we have to write the same set in set builder form. See, this is x. So elements are of the form x such that. So how do you write? See, each element should satisfy this property. So how do you write this 1, 4, 9? See, earlier we told this 1. See, 1, 4, 9, then 16. So we must know this 25, then 36, 49. See, okay, 64, then 81. Then we will get 100. See, what are these? These are all perfect squares. So how do you write this? See, 1 square, this will be this 2 square, 3 square, see, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, see, 10 square. So that means, so I can write, see, all these perfect squares. Okay, so 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square, 5 square. So generally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can write this as, see, generally I can write this as n square. Okay, so I can put, okay, n is a natural number. So see, I can put n is equal to, see, last I can put if 10, then it will 10 square. 10 square is more what? 10 square is equal to 100. So I can write this, of course, this n is a natural number, and this n is less than or equal to 10. See, I have taken 10. Okay, so 10 square is 100. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, up to 10 square. So I can write x is equal to n square. So if I put 2, so I'll get what? 2 square is equal to 4. If I put n is equal to 3, then 3 square is equal to 9. If I put n is equal to 4, I get 16. So in this way, you can generally write this as x square is equal, x is equal to n square. So it satisfies all the properties. So this is the set builder method. Okay, so let us take another example here. Okay, G is equal to, so let me write another example. 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16. So see here. So elements are listed here. 1, 4, 1, 4, 9. Okay. See here. 1, 4, 9, 16. So this one. See, I have to convert this to roster form. So G is equal to, so x such that, see, x is equal to, so as in our previous example, see here, 1, what is the difference between this and this? See here, this is a finite set. It is an infinite set. So I can write this x is equal to, okay, see here, x is equal to n square. Here we have written the condition because last element given is 100. So 100 means I can write that as 10 square. So n should be less than or equal to 10. So here it is an infinite set. So how can we write this? See, the same way we can copy this, see, n square. Okay, so I can give n is equal to 1, I will get 1 square is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, 2 square is equal to 4, then if I give 3, 3 square is equal to 9, 4, so 4 square is equal to what? 16. So x is equal to what? This is n square, where n is a natural number. So we cannot write the condition because it is infinite. So we can go on giving the natural numbers here. So why we have here we have given the condition means, so here it is a finite set. So n cannot take 11, n is equal to 10, then that will be 100. So we have to stop at less than or equal to 10. So in this way we can convert the given sets to roster form, and roster form to set builder form, set builder form to roster form. Okay. See, we have worked out some of the simple examples of conversion of set builder form to roster form and roster form to set builder form. See here, let me consider another example. See, you will write the example here. Okay, if so I can take this a is equal to 2, 4, 6, then write all the subsets of the set A. See, we know the meaning of subset. So subset means all the elements of the given set will be present in the in another set, then that set is called subset. So we write it as, see, A is a subset of B. So all the elements contained in set B. Okay, so if A is equal to 2, 4, 6, then write all the subsets of the given set. See, given set is finite set, of course. So 2, 4, 6, let us write the subsets of A. So subsets means, see here, I can write the subsets here. See, subsets of the given set. So what are the subsets here? So let us consider, okay. So here, let me write the subsets. See, 2. So 2 belongs to A, therefore I can write this set. So this is the one set, then another set I can write 4, then 6, okay, then 2, 4, see 2, 4 also, 2 and 4 belongs to A, I can write this, then I can write, see 4, 6, then I can write 2, 6, okay, then see 1, then see what is the given set here. So given set is 2, 4, 6, see the given set itself will also be the subset. So that means I will write this set again. See the 2, 4, 6. Okay. So how many subsets we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So see, we have written 7. We have written 7 subsets. So along these 7 subsets, so I will write one more subset. See this you know this is an empty set. So from this example, we can draw our attention to 2 points. What are the 2 points? See, every set is a, see, every set is a subset of itself. See, 2, 4, 6, it is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. And see, empty set. So that is, empty set is a subset of every set. See, empty set is a subset of every set. So empty set will be subset of every set. If I give one set and go on writing the subsets, then empty set will be subset. Okay. So empty set and given set. So these two will be always present as a subsets. So in addition to this, I have written the remaining subsets. See, now count the number of subsets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, total number of subsets. How many subsets I got? See, 8 subsets. 8 subsets. So 2, 4, 6. I have taken this set. So this set has how many subsets? This set has 8 subsets. Okay. See, 8 is a very, very important point. Listen carefully. Observe the point what I am saying. So this set has 8 subsets. See, another observation is, see here cardinal number. See, n of A. So what are the total number of elements in this set? See, 3. So total number of elements in the given set is 3. Then I got the total number of subsets is 8. So if a set is given, then total number of subsets, see, total number of subsets of a given set will be, see, 2 to the power of n. total number of subsets. This will be 2 to the power of n. Can you realize this? How it 2 to the power of n? See, here number of elements is 3. So how many subsets I got? 8. So that means what? 2 to the power of, see, number of elements, where n is number of elements, n number of elements is 3. So number of elements is 3. 2 cube means 4. 2 into 2 into 2, that I will get 8. See, 8 subsets. Out of these 8 subsets, one is empty set. See, empty set. Another one is given set itself. Then remaining 6 may have written it. So if a set is given, then that set will have 2 to the power of, say, 2 to the power of n subsets. Okay. See, these are all the subsets. So if I write all these subsets in the flower bracket, see, so this set, that is the set which contains the subsets. See, observe, the set which contains the subsets of the given set. So we have written all the subsets, okay, and put them in a one set. So the set which contains the subsets of the given set is called power set. So what is this? This 8 subsets, this is power set, that is written as P of A. So power set means the set which contains all the subsets of a given set is called power set. So total number of subsets of a given set will be 2 to the power of n. And every set, whatever the set we write on the board, that will be a subset of itself, and empty set is a subset of every set. Okay. So let us consider another example here. See, if I will take on another example. Okay, if D is equal to, see, D is equal to, see, 1, 2, 5, 6, then see, write the subsets of this given set. Then, okay, let me write only the number of subsets now. So we can write it directly. So number of subsets. So number of subsets, how many number of subsets here? See, 2 to the power of n. Okay, 2 to the power of n subsets. So here 2 to the power of, so n means, so here total number of elements in the set, see, n of D. So how many number of, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, 4 elements are there. 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is what? 16. So how many subsets? I should get 16 subsets. Out of these 16 subsets, one is given set and another one is empty set. So how many remain here? 16 minus 2, that is 14. So 14 subsets plus these two, that how many subsets we have? 16 subsets. So for a given set, we will have 2 to the power of n subsets. Okay. So all these things you work out in your notebook. So we shall consider some more concepts in the next class.